Hello everyone, welcome to Absen Service Training class. I'm a service engineer at Absen. This class is to bring you a demonstration of repairing pixels on the KL 3.0 product. The repair tools include soldering iron, tweezers, screwdriver, marker, solder wire, heat gun, solder paste, anti-static bracelets. Mark the bad pixels before repairing. The KL 3.0 products have housing, so we will need to remove the housing first before we can repair the modules. Let's remove the screws first. It's best to use an electric screwdriver to remove the screws. There are 41 screws at a single module. You can remove the housing after removing the screws. Place the module on the table. Hold it down with a heavy object. Leave another side hangs in the air. 338 degrees, then we just need the heat gun temperature to this temperature, 338 Celsius. The wind speed to fourth gear. You can just or adjust the temperature up and down according to the actual situation. Align the back of the PCB with the air gun, the distance 1.3 centimeters. Don't move in this position. The pixel can be removed in about 2 minutes. Okay, pick up the bad pixel, move the heat gun away, adjust the temperature of the soldering iron to 315 Celsius degree. Clean solder the solder pad with soldering iron and solder wire in order to guarantee subsequent welding. Take out a new pixel. This product uses 2121 pixel. We pick it up with tweezers. Put the lamp where we need to solder. Make sure it's the same direction with the surrounding pixels. After putting the new pixels in the corresponding position, we can solder it now. Put the heat gun to the bottom of the PCB at a distance of 1.3 centimeters. Heat the PCB. Generally, the heating time is about 2 minutes after solder melted. We use tweezers to gently move the pixel a little bit to make it aligned. Then shift the pixel a little bit to make it at the exact position. This operation is completed. After welding, we let it cool. Next, we can test the module, the red, the green, the blue, the oblique sweep. If there is a lack of color, then use the air gun to resolder. If there is no problem, we can install the housing. The repair operations of the KL product is completed. Hope these steps were clear for you.